Good day everyone. So we have this cantilever quarter circle problem. So we're gonna find the moment at A. But first, we need to get the circumference that is affected by the load sa cantilever quarter circle natin. So we need to find that angle alpha. So we know that the distance from B to the limit of the load 1 meter above it. So we're gonna get that angle by the arc sine opposite 1 over the hypotenuse or the radius, which is 5. We're gonna get the alpha of 11.54 degrees. So next, we're gonna find the angle between the angle subtended by that force. So we know that a quarter circle has 90 degrees, and since symmetrical naman siya, dun sa taas may 1 meter din, same din sa baba above B, which is also 1 meter. Therefore they have just the same angle. So therefore the angle between that it's just 90 minus 2 alpha, and by that angle there will be called theta. So to solve for the circumference, it is just 2 pi r multiplied by the theta. So let's denote that as theta over 360. Okay. So wala man tayo theta, no? So as I said, it is just, since it is a quarter circle, you can get theta by 90 is equals to 2 alpha plus theta. Therefore, theta is 66.93 degrees. And with that, makukuha na natin ang circumference affected by our load. So C is equals to 5.84 meters. And since nakuha na natin ang ating circumference affected by the load, we can also now get the resultant of that force. So that is just the force, or the resultant force, is equals to the 18 kilonewton per meter multiplied by the circumference affected by the load, which is 5.84. Therefore, we're gonna get a value of 105.13 kilonewton. And we're gonna project it, no? Kasi nga, since symmetrical naman yung loading natin sa quarter circle, mag-aak yan, or it will act along a line, no? By the law of transmissibility, pwede mo siya i-transfer doon sa center ng ating quarter circle, or I mean the center of the circle, which is at point C, no? By the laws of transmissibility, ayan, na-project natin dyan sa C, or the center. And pwede tayo mag-component dyan, no? So to find beta, it is just the half of our theta, since it is just symmetrical, plus the alpha. Okay, half dyan, kasi dyan nag-aak yung load, kasi nga symmetrical naman. It's theta over 2 and another alpha. And with that, we're gonna get beta as 45 degrees. After solving that, no, i-component na natin siya. The force in horizontal and in vertical direction. Okay, yan, oh. Okay. Therefore, the moment at A, so imagine niyo na lang, no? That broken line is the radius, that curve is the R beam. So the force multiplied by, actually that is cosine 45, no? Sige lang, it will still yield the same answer, but that should be cosine 45 degrees. So force times distance from point A, that is F cosine 45 degrees, multiplied by its moment arm, the radius, which is R, or 5 meters. And with that, kuha na natin ang value ng ating moment at A. So moment at A will be equals to I think 371.68 kilonewton per meter. Okay, that's it guys. So comment lang kung may mga mali or corrections. Thank you. Bye-bye.